I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bones rock. No breaks, we go, go, go.
What's up everybody, my name is Noel Alvarado. I go by Noelito on Instagram. I am the owner of None Above, and I came here all the way from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I'm here hanging out with Angelus. For today's video, we have a very special back to school custom. So go ahead and grab your pens, pencils, and notebooks, and let's get started. So our first step, just like any other custom, we're gonna go ahead and remove the laces. So once we get this done, our next step is prep work. You gotta treat this like any other shoe. We're gonna go ahead and use our leather preparer and deglazer from Angelus to remove off that factory finish. When I was younger, I was like into art. Like my dad got me into art. Like he was always like drawing Spider-Man and stuff like that. So I would always like trace his drawings. And then when I got older, I got into like sneakers. And then I seen an Astro Tour. So I seen him do it like his first time ever, and that's what like got me interested. All right guys, so now that we have the prep work and also the taping done, we're gonna go ahead and start the painting part, which is the fun part. So if you guys are gonna airbrush, you guys wanna make sure you guys do thin coats of paint, just like your hand painting. So for you guys out there that have not used an airbrush yet, one tip that I could give you guys is to get a more controlled spray. If you guys put a small amount of pressure and pull back just a tiny bit, you have a smaller section that's spraying. But if you guys push down pretty hard, like with a more amount of force, and pull back, it's gonna have a much wider spray. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm pushing down. I'm probably keeping it the little lever like in the middle, not so hard and not so far back. Again, just go halfway, a light amount of pressure, and just have a nice smooth flow, and you'll have a nice clean custom. So in between coats, we're gonna use the heat gun to dry off the paint, and then we're gonna go ahead and then add another layer. So for the next step, we're gonna go ahead and paint the Nike checks, which will be our crayons. So we're gonna go ahead and use our Angelus red. And again, just like our airbrush, we wanna go with light, thin coats. So we're gonna go ahead now and place our stencil. Normally I get my vinyls from like any arts and crafts store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby if I'm running pretty late. I use a Silhouette Cameo to cut them out. But this time around, shout out to Visionary Kicks who came in last minute and hooked me up with some stencils.
Which one am I looking? This one right here? So there you guys have it. Oh yeah, ready? We live? Testing.
Shout out to you. So now we're gonna go ahead and place our stencil on the toe box and then tape around it so there's no overspray. And then you're gonna see me now go ahead and heat it up with using our heat gun so that the stencil could mold into the cracks and crevice of the toe box. So now we're gonna take our Angelus green and put it into our airbrush. And again, we're just gonna go light coat over the stencil. Now we could go ahead and remove our tape and our stencil. Right now, you're gonna see me tape off all the areas that I don't want painted. I'm gonna implement the design of the Crayola box on the side right here. And then we're gonna go in and add the detail onto the Nike checks. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some Grinch green into our airbrush. Just make it like a lighter shade, and we're just gonna go ahead and add another line. Whenever like you're mixing like too thin or colors together in the airbrush, you could place your finger in front right here, which is gonna stop the airflow and everything's gonna come up. Just do it lightly, because if you do it too hard, paint is gonna splatter everywhere. But it actually helps mix the paint in there. So right now I'm just gonna remove the rest of the tape because this shoe is basically done. All I'm gonna do now is gonna go ahead and paint the sock liner, and I'm gonna be using Too Soft and some purple. We're gonna move on to our other shoe. So as you guys can see, I taped it pretty crazy, and I'm gonna try to make it look as if there's multiple pieces of paper laying on the ground, so that's why it's taped the way it is. So I'm gonna add some shadows and stuff like that to kind of make that stand out. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start off by using Mist from Angelus, just to lay in a light shadow. And then we're gonna mix in some black just to darken up some of those shadows. We're gonna mix some light blue with some flat white in order to get a lighter blue. You know, I'm sure you guys use notebook paper. You know, it usually has like the blue lines across, so that's what we're gonna do right now. So this part of the custom is gonna be the most tedious because it's gonna be a lot of taping, removing the tape, and just repeating that. Alright, you guys, so now that we have our line work done, this part is totally up to you guys out there. I'm gonna go ahead and add more color to it. I'm gonna make it look like as if someone was actually scribbling on the shoe, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so before we say we're finished, we're gonna go ahead and use the matte finisher from Angelus. And what this does, it adds a matte look to it, so it's, you know, a little bit more like factory finished look. And it kind of like gives it our artwork some protection. Alright you guys, so here's the finished look. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you guys think of these. You guys can find me on Instagram at Noelito, YouTube, Noelito, everything, just Noelito. Just, you know, go ahead and look me up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.